MagicDoor has solved the maintenance issue for rental managers, and this is just one of the ways that we do it. So you can organize all of your vendors. You can have unlimited vendors. All you got to do is press add vendor, and then you can go in and add their phone number, their email, all of their information. But here's where it really solves the problem is we have what's called AI runbooks, which are AI scripts that the AI can follow. So let's say a tenant sends in something for a garbage disposal malfunction. It'll then follow this script. Well, after offering solutions, if they're not able to solve it via text, it's going to escalate to a vendor. So then what's really cool is you can actually add a default vendor. So if you want it to always be a plumber or it's a landscaping issue, whatever it is, you can have unlimited AI runbooks that you can set up for all of your main maintenance issues and then have them escalate to your default vendor. So you're completely hands off. It'll message the vendor for you. It'll coordinate. You can also add a default property manager, and every time there's a plumbing issue or maybe all your maintenance gets routed to the same property manager, then they're the one who gets looped in. Now, once again, it's going to escalate to the vendor on its own, coordinate with the vendor and the tenant. So once you have your runbook set up, it'll completely take care of your maintenance for you. Here's an example of a request for a garbage disposal. It's scoring it, it's processing it, converted it to a work order after communicating with the tenant. And if we go to communications, we can see there is a work order chat that went to the plumber. The maintenance chat is with the tenant, and then it creates a group chat with the tenant and the vendor to coordinate a time. It's that easy with MagicDoor.